Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup by Yoli. I'm so excited to bring you video number 2, another holiday inspired glam look. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so my brows are already done. My foundation is pretty much complete. All I'm going to start to do is work the eyes. So what I have done is I have applied my Urban Decay Anti-Aging Lip Primer, and now I'm going to go in with my palette, and I'm going to use these two colors as a transition color to build in that smoke out effect for the purple that I'm about to put onto these eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush, right? And we're gonna go in with the lighter brown or the lighter neutral color, and we're gonna start to shape the eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with that deep brick color, and I'm going to just focus on smoking it out and adding more depth. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to blend with the Morphe palette. And we're gonna go in with these, where is it at? This shade right here, and we're gonna smoke it out even more with this shade here. It looks like black, but it's really not. It's just a deep purple. Once again, we're gonna use the fluffy brush to do that. Dark purple, almost that black kind of color, right on the rim. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to blend it out. Next step is we're going to blend. We're going to go back in with that same brush. We're not going to add any more powder, any more product. We're just going to try and blend in that color so we don't lose it, but at the same time we don't build any more into it. We just want to blend. Don't worry, we can clean all this stuff after. Okay, the next step we're going to do is cut that crease. Okay, so we're going to cut that crease, and we're going to use a synthetic flat brush, and I'm going to use a little bit of concealer, and I'm just going to brush it onto the brush a little. We don't want too much product initially because we do just want to cut that crease, and I'm just going to focus on the inner and then just work 3/4 of the way in. You want to go slow. Cut it to create a bigger lid, and then I'm going to go in with another synthetic brush, and I'm just going to add more color onto that smoke so we don't lose anything out. just to kind of build it back in. just like that. And then we're gonna go in with another flat brush. And I'm gonna go in with this color on the Morphe palette. These two colors right here. And I'm gonna tap, and I'm just gonna pack it in. Just like that. I don't know if you can see it. And then we'll blend all that in after. Just like that. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of glitter. So I've already done my wing liner and I've already blended out as much as I wanted for this look. The next thing we're gonna do is, like I said, add glitter. I'm gonna use a little bit of the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty. If I didn't pronounce it right, forgive me. We're gonna use the nude palette, and the color that I'm using is Infatuated, this color right here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put a little bit of the glitter on top of the lid, and with this you need a very small brush, and by small I mean like something that fits at least my tiny lid, that won't create more than it needs to all over the lid. So I'm going to put a little bit of this, that's how small, and I'm going to just tap it onto my eye. Nothing crazy. Just tap it in the area that I may want the glitter to go. And I'm gonna do it for the next eye. And then I'm gonna go in with that Infatuated. See how it picks up product? I don't know if you can see it, it looks kind of blurred, but anyway. And I'm just going to pack it in. Wherever that glue was. Some blush, powder, set this whole look in together, add some lashes, and I'll be right back. So now I have the lashes on, I have my powder, I rimmed underneath my eyes using my Urban Decay 24-hour glide on eye pencils. The color that I used was Voodoo and Starfire. Both of them created this beautiful look, kind of similar to what I have on the lid. So I love it, love it, love it, these two pencils. And I must say, they do last 24 hours. My biggest pet peeve is when I underline my waterline and then it starts to fall onto my concealer. And that's the worst thing any makeup artist knows. We hate to do touch-ups. So this works, I must say. For foundation, I used my Tarte Shape Tape. I love the way it feels. I have no issues with it right now because of the season we're in. It's more cold fall weather, so down in Florida, just to say, I'm not in New York. So my face is a little bit lighter than it would be in the summertime, so I kind of went with my Shape Tape foundation. For my setting power, my Laura Mercier, I love it, love it, love it. And you guys know what I love to use more than anything when it comes to my highlighter and or my contour. It is this palette. I love it. It's really, really good. So the last thing I wanted to do, oh, and I hydrated my lips. Yes, I hydrated my lips with Flesh. It's this Flesh Pot Eye Cheek Gloss kind of stain. I like it a lot. I got it at Ulta and it feels like Vaseline on the lips. I swear it feels really, really good. So I put that on the lip before I actually added my lippy. And then I set everything up with my Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray by Too Faced. This is really good, guys. It really hydrates the face. It has coconut in it, so it smells really, really good. Coconut water. It smells good. Anyway, so that's what I do with my face. As you can see, I pulled the look together, and now it's time for the lip. Although, you guys, your choice. It's a glam look. The eyes are really, really intense. You could go without a dark lip or a heavy lip. If you're going to an event where you don't want to kind of have a heavy lip with a dark eye. For the mere purpose of this video, I'm going to go in with a heavy lip. Most of the times I would have just went in with a very neutral lip like this and would have been done. So I'm going in. Yes, I'm a little vintage when it comes to my lips. My lips and the kind of products that I use. I'm going in with my MAC pencil in Night Moth. And I'm just going to shade in my lip. And honestly, all you might need is just this, in my opinion. With a nice gloss, and you're good. Just like that. Nothing too crazy. And then I'm going in with Snob. Yes, vintage MAC makeup. You cannot go wrong. Talk about old school. And just like that, this look is done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, do what you do best. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.